こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Hiyashi Chuka. This cold ramen is called Hiyashi Chuka. It's a very popular summer dish in Japan. Cold ramen noodles are topped with various toppings and tossed with a bright and flavorful soy vinegar-rich dressing. This cold ramen dish is so refreshing and delicious, especially in hot weather. Okay, let's get started. First, make the dressing. Place 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, ½ teaspoon of vegetable stock, which is just crumbled up stock cube, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well until the vegetable stock and sugar are completely dissolved. Cover and refrigerate to chill until ready to use. Next, prepare the vegetable toppings. Diagonally cut about 40 grams of cucumber into thin slices, and then cut them into julienne strips. Julienne about 20 grams of carrot. Typically, most of the toppings are cut into thin strips for cold ramen, so they are incorporated well and are easy to eat with the noodles. Blanch a handful of beansprouts for about 40 seconds. Drain them with a colander and let them cool under running cold water, then drain well. Slice half a tomato. Wash and prepare some watercress or your favorite salad leaves. The toppings can vary, so you can customize them to your liking. Now, cook the ramen noodles. Cook 1 portion of ramen noodles following the package instructions. Drain with a colander. Rinse them thoroughly with your hands under running cold water. Transfer the noodles into a bowl of ice water to make them very cold. And drain well. Remove any remaining ice cubes. Shake off as much excess water from the noodles as possible, so the dressing won't be diluted. Transfer the ramen noodles to a serving plate. Arrange the vegetable toppings on top. Pour the dressing over it. Sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. And add a little bit of mustard on the side if you want. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, this Hiyashi Chuka is so refreshing. The flavors are beautifully balanced, and cold noodles with fresh vegetables makes it an ideal dish for hot weather. Perfect for summer. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね